I'm Flora. I work at the CRUK Beatson Institute here in Glasgow, and we're here today to explain a little bit about DNA, but we're trying to make a little bit of a competition out of it as well. So what these guys back here are doing is they're trying to replicate a DNA strand. And as you probably know, DNA tells everything about all your cells in your body. But to have your cells function properly, your DNA needs to be replicated for every new cell that is made, and it has to be done really well. Because if you start making mistakes, your cells won't know what to do anymore. So these guys are acting like dividing cells, and they are making replicates of the DNA strand. So first off, they're just trying to do that as fast as they possibly can to make it for the cell to be able to divide quickly. But then we have another step, because when cells are getting stressed, like a cell that might start to become cancerous and is dividing really fast and has all kinds of stressful things in the environment, it becomes a bit more difficult. So what we do next is we give them these lovely oven gloves to try and replicate that. They build a DNA strand with these on, and as you'll be able to tell, I'll give you this one, they'll have a bit more trouble. It'll be slower, they might make a few mistakes. And with those mistakes that come in when your cell is stressed, it might even get to a point that you won't be able to recognize the original template sequence anymore. So the next step after that, we take the template sequence away, and they're going to have to build the DNA strand from memory, which is of course something your cells cannot do because they don't have a memory. So they will make a lot more mistakes than the kids do, actually. And I think something that's also really good with this part of the challenge is that if we race kids against their parents, the kids will always win the memory part. And that's really fun to see. So that's how we try and make the DNA a bit more understandable for kids of all ages.